Okay, hello, fellas, and welcome. You know, we always try to hustle here, guys, to get it done ASAP. So we're gonna roll with it, guys. And this is the break for the auction that just ended literally minutes ago, guys. The time is up there in the right-hand corner. It's about 8:35, 8:36, guys. I got some payments in, and if you didn't have send payment yet, please do so now, fellas. And we're gonna get started, guys. I also have a sheet here just so you're aware the video is current and that you're at the correct auction. And as always, guys, if anybody has any questions or needs help with anything at all, just send me a message and I'll be more than happy to help. And be sure to check out current and future breaks too, guys. Best of luck to everybody this evening. This is a new product, just came out last week. Hopefully we could do pretty good with it. And that's enough out of me, fellas. Best of luck to everybody. Here we go. This way. There she is. Empty box, guys. And we're going to get right to it, fellas. Best of luck to everybody. And all cards will ship from this break too, fellas. Let me see how they got this lined up here. Okay, I think it's this way. I think it's like that, guys. Okay, here we go. Up first, we have going to those Bills. It's going to be EJ, number to 399. EJ. Manual to the Bills. Up next, guys, we have number to 399 again. It's going to be Wes Welker for the Broncos. And we got to the good stuff already, guys. Check this out. Oh, this is sweet. Very nice. Numbered to 99. The Falcons. Matt Ryan. Devontae Freeman, number to 99. Dual limited partnerships. Wow, very nice hit for the Falcons. Very cool. Very nice, guys. And our autograph. Going to those Panthers, it's Tyler Gaffney. And this is, oh, nice short. Check that out, guys. Number 250, if I can get it to focus. Well, it's numbered to 50, guys. And of course, very nice hit for the Panthers. Very nice. And, oh, this is pretty cool. Our last card in the box, guys. Check this out. I didn't see many of this dude's cards. Numbered to 99. It's Megatron. Limited threads. Short print number 1099. Going to those Lions. Calvin Johnson. Check that out. Very cool. Very nice. Okay, guys, that does it for tonight. Like I said, if anybody has any questions or you need help with anything at all, guys, just hit me up. And thanks so much, guys, for everything tonight, all purchases. And have a wonderful night. Hope to see you get back again soon. Thank you, guys.